Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I am a part-time seller on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, and my name is Tyler. You were going to say, what's your name? You are.
Anyways, we are back with a What Sold video, which it's been a hot minute.
It's been a while. Yeah.
I think we did a What Sold for like a box, but I don't think we've done like a regular. So we have been kind of delayed on What Sold because we were not selling very well. We took kind of a break. I'm sure
she took a sabbatical, a hiatus.
Yes.
Leave of absence.
Yeah, a little bit of a break. And we're still kind of slowly working our way up. So this isn't our best What Sold ever. If you haven't seen our What Sold videos, there's plenty of them. Maybe I'll put one up on the screen so you guys can see what a normal week for us is like. But we're getting there. And I thought it would be fun to show you guys how we're doing and what we're selling right now.
I think that's fair.
Yeah. So if you like reseller content, if you like What Sold videos, haul videos, all that kind of stuff, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you're notified every time I post new videos. We post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday, and we love hearing from you guys. So make sure that you're commenting and liking this video. It not only tells us that you're enjoying the content, but it also tells YouTube that this is something that they should be promoting to people, so it helps other people find us. So all of those things are really helpful, so please do that. But yeah, so he loves numbers, so he's probably excited to get to them, so let's do that.
All right.
So first of all, how many items did we sell this week?
Well, so it's since the start of the month, so it's 10 days technically, so we're cheating already. We sold 31 items, which is about 3 a day.
About 3 a day, yeah. So our goal has been adjusted. So if you guys have been following us for a while, you know that normally our goal is $100 net profit. But because we're still on a slow upswing, we adjusted it to $100 gross profit. So because there's a new goal, where are we currently?
So the gross total is $935.88.
So we are shy of our daily goal.
Yeah, so it works out to $93.59 per day.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
So you're $64.12 total shy, which is $6 shy a day.
So it is currently $335. So we do still have time to hit our goal and make that. But
yeah, she needs to sell either 2 items for $30 or one big ticket item, which she has a couple of them already. So.
Yeah, and I will just say that we did have a cancellation yesterday that would have been over our net goal, so I will blame that person.
Started on this person. They bought an item for $70 or $80, and then after paying for it, decided to cancel it.
Oh no, it was better than that. They sent me an offer with a message that asked for questions. I didn't know how to send them back a message, so I sent them back a counter at their offer with the answer to their question. They countered me back, same offer, asking if I would accept their offer.
And then you accepted it.
And then they paid, and then they canceled. Oh. So yeah, I'm a little salty there. But yeah, so do we want to go through what we've sold?
Well, I saw a few more numbers, thank you.
Oh, 30.
So gross is $935.88 net. If you take into account all of them on Poshmark, they're not. It'd be $748.70.
So it's probably a little bit higher because some of them aren't. Well, almost half are on eBay.
So I'd say it's probably $800 something bucks.
I'm not complaining about that.
So the gross average is $30.19 per item, and then net it's $24.15 per item.
Now within the 10 days we've sourced, what do we think? 2 times?
2 or 3 times.
Okay, so we probably spent approximately $200, maybe a little under.
I think it's well under that. I think you're probably at like $160.
Okay, for sourcing. So if you wanted to take that into account, if you take $748, so you're probably looking at like $550 to $600 after what we've sourced.
Yeah. So there we go. Yeah, those are the numbers. Okay. So getting to the items, which is why you're here.
Now, do you know what we sold on each platform? Or did you not write that down?
I know some of them.
No. I mean how many items on each
platform.
platform.
I don't have that, no.
No. Okay, well, so I'm going to start on Poshmark, and he's going to casually in his head count how many we sold on Poshmark as we do that. So we started off the month with a bundle, which awesome, and also a free people bundle. So for everyone who says free people doesn't sell, you're wrong. But yeah, so there was a free people bundle. It was 3 tops, and it sold for a total of $55. Exciting. Then there was a Prana athletic shirt that sold for $20. And mind you, most of these people have left me 5-star reviews already. So this year, okay. Okay, 2021 for reselling. J. Crew blazer, this one, sadly, so this is $28. But this one, somebody made an offer on eBay same day before I had removed it for $32. But it had already sold, so.
Womp womp.
Womp, womp, womp. Now, if you guys remember the t-shirt unboxing, an item from there sold, the cat t-shirt. I think it's the one that everybody commented about, so quite funny. But sold for $15 and happy to have that box start moving. Aldo boots that I had sourced online last quarantine. They were quite damaged, so I was happy to get rid of them. $15. Should we talk about
Emilio Pucci?
Yeah, so this is one of our star items, one of the things that sold really well. So Emilio Pucci dress for $80.
Yeah.
So if you guys look at comps for Emilio Pucci, they doesn't look good, but everybody on Instagram was talking about how well it sells, so I tried it out and will be buying again.
Yeah.
It sat for quite a bit of time, but I'll wait for $80.
$80 is $80.
Yeah, I think I spent how much on it? $8?
Probably less than that.
Yeah, so okay, take it. This one was I'm gonna say it was 2 items, but they just didn't bundle. It was the same buyer. They came and bought 2 Bowden shirts. I did try to bundle for them, but they just did not answer any message I sent. After 3 messages, I just accepted their offers. So $15 and $14.
5-star rating.
Yeah, they both. Yeah, so I'll take it. Leaf's daughter, crushed velvet blazer. I was actually surprised at how long this took. This took almost a year to sell.
Yeah, it's been.
And it's really cute.
Time. Yeah.
I'm very confused about that, but yeah. So it sold for $35.
It's got a ruffly collar.
Really, really cute. We'll be trying to put up as many pictures as we can, but no promises on how many we'll get through. Then these all have shipped but not been delivered, so.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, right. Rag and Bone cashmere dress. This has been over a year.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Sitting. So if I found this again, I may not pick it up because it has been sitting for quite a while, and it only sold for $36. So cashmere dress, $36, and yikes. Bundle sold for $70. One of our favorite buyers ever. Also one of our favorite viewers. Favorite person?
Yeah.
Should I just say? Yeah.
I think so.
They bought Soft Surroundings top, Pilcrow jeans, and Free People jeans.
And we're super excited about this one because we may have included a surprise.
No spoilers. Anyways, another shirt from the t-shirt box sold. Nickelodeon long sleeve, $15. Another Bowden. I guess I'm on a Bowden run.
Yeah, you sold a lot of Bowden.
Yeah, $15 for a button down, and then finally 7 for All Mankind jeans. Only $18, but truthfully, they're bootcut jeans, not any of the trendy styles. So
it's about 19 items.
Yeah.
Give or take.
Did you actually count?
I did.
Somebody is gonna have counted. They're gonna be like, well, actually. Okay, so then we switch over to eBay. So starting back from January, we sold Kate Spade jeans for $40. I'm actually really sad to see these go because they fit me.
She wore them all of the time.
Not all of the time, but I did wear them and they fit me really well. And I have a hard time finding jeans that fit me well. I'm
also,
short
you are a sucker for Kate Spade. Everything.
Facts. But yeah, so I am sad to see them go, but $40 I'll take. Tommy Bahama sweater. This is one of our men's clothing, so
it would have fit me. So damn.
Yeah, but at least we're getting into the men's market, so good for us. Pilcrow and Letterpress shoes sold for $25. They're pretty cute. Lululemon cropped leggings. These actually sold relatively fast, and I was surprised because there was pilling on them, so I was kind of surprised. But sold for $35. So hey, thank you. Sanctuary sweater. I told you guys, Sanctuary sells.
It does.
I don't understand the following there because it seems like pretty typical clothing, but it sells. So if you find Sanctuary, buy it. Sold for $20. Adriana Goldsmead corduroys sold for $30. Field flower sweater sold for $31.96.
The same sweater that you've already sold.
It was very similar, yeah. So
but you sold for the same price.
Yeah, he found it and he was like, "Hey, do you think we should grab this?" I think it was like $6 or something, which is a little bit higher than normal that we pay. Yeah. I'm like, I've already sold that, so yeah, I know I can sell that, and yeah, it sold within a few days
for the same price.
Yeah. So Anthropology, wide leg pants. These actually took quite a while to sell. And they only sold for $20. I don't know if I'd buy them again. Yeah. 1901 blazer, new with tags. This came from a Voyages of Herb mystery box. $22. I mean, I don't really know much about the brand, so I'm not mad about it. And then we move into yesterday, I believe.
Yeah.
So St. John cashmere tank top, $35. If you remember, this came from a St. John bundle that we had purchased from somebody online. They gave us like a lot of St. John for a
they gave us
great price.
all St. John, and we're out of the box, and we're all straight profit.
Yeah. So I'll put that link to that up there because that was a really fun bundle, and
if you have more of it, just let us know. We'll buy it.
Yeah, if you don't like selling St. John, please let us know. We will buy it from you because we love selling St. John. Then there was a Clue VHS. It sold for $12.71. We're still learning when it comes to this stuff.
I think you paid $1 for it.
Yeah, we're still learning when it comes to movies, DVDs, all that kind of stuff. But we liked Tim Curry. I think that's why we picked it.
Yeah.
So yeah,
100%.
Really, really no good reason for it, but it sold. Silver jeans sold for $21.21. I think I got this out of a ThredUp box. Silver jeans do sell. Mm-hmm. I don't know where they're from. Somebody told me once Torrid, but I haven't been able to confirm that. But they sell if you find them. The Coach purse that canceled. Sad day. You're my problem. Athleta stretchy cargo leggings, as I said, as many times, active wear, athleisure wear, all of that stuff is selling, and it did for $29.71. I believe this was full price. My closet right now is on sale for 15% off, so I think that's why it's a weird number, but yeah. Another thing from the St. John bundle that I just mentioned before, St. John purple skirt. Yeah. I told you guys before, purple people will buy items, so if you find purple, buy it, please. Purple.
Facts. Facts. It doesn't make any sense.
People that like purple really like purple.
I would like to fix that other two-piece St. John's from that same bundle.
Is it purple?
It is purple.
Then yes, you do. Purple. Isn't there like a kid's book that's like Purple People Eater?
Something.
Purple.
Well, the Vikings defense from the NFL is the Purple People Eaters.
Oh, so there is a Purple People Eater?
Yes.
Okay, good. I couldn't even make it up. And then finally, the last thing that we sold on eBay was a Longchamp bag. They have not paid yet, so fingers crossed that actually happens. But
for the love of God, please don't screw this up.
Oh, it would be so sad. We'd be so short. But it's a Longchamp bag for $100. This Longchamp bag is beautiful.
It is basically new. There's not a whole lot of that you notice about it that's off.
Yeah, it's not the typical, I think it's called like pliage bag. I don't know how to say that.
The nylon bag?
Yeah, it's not the typical. It's a blue patent leather bag, and it's like zip top and top handle. Yeah. It's beautiful. We were going to actually give it to a friend of ours and decided not to because they don't like bags.
Her boyfriend screwed her over and said she doesn't like handbags. So, sorry, Laza.
Yikes. Hopefully she doesn't see this. And then finally, I actually made a sale on Mercari. So if you guys know me at all, this is amazing.
It's the first one in like 7 years.
Yeah, basically it's the GIF that it's been 84 years.
Yeah.
It's pretty bad.
6,000 years later.
So I do process everything onto Mercari. I do have the automatic reducing the price every few days. I send out offers every single day. I never sell on Mercari. Never. So no idea. But they made an offer for $41 for the moth sweater that was in our last haul, I believe.
Yeah, sold fast.
I thought it was going to sell. I said it was something I just felt like it would sell. And so $41 on Mercari. Hey, I'll take it. So that's everything. That's all the items we sold. So what's your favorite item we sold? What do you think?
I mean, the Longchamp. The most frustrating is the Coach bag.
Oh, I know. Oh, so annoying.
So bad.
For me, I think my favorite was the Emilio Pucci because I was nervous that I may have done a bad pickup with that one just because comps was not reflecting the price I was listing it for. So I'm happy with that. I'm really happy that I went with my gut on that one. So probably favorite.
Good for you.
No ugly sweaters this time around.
I mean, the moth is itchy and nightmare. So.
But we've been picking up a lot of ugly sweaters, so I'm very sure that a new what sold very soon will have them because
the Sanctuary is not very attractive either.
It's striped. It's like Where's Waldo, but green and blue.
Right, exactly.
Anyways, so that is what we sold. So we are on the track to getting there. I feel like if this month I can hit my $100 gross every day, then my goal next month will be to get back to net every day, $100 net. And if I can hit that, then we will keep going up. But I want to try to ease myself back in there.
Yeah. That's the plan.
Yeah, sounds like the plan. So if you guys like this video, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know what items you would have picked up if you were sourcing them. And let me know how your week has been. Did you guys have a good sales week? Are you having a slow start to the year? Let me know in the comments. I would love to talk to you. And yeah, you can find me on Instagram as well. That link is down below. I know a lot of you have said you want to talk outside of the videos, but don't know how to reach me. That's how you get to me. So,
yeah.
Anything else?
No, thank you all for watching.
Thank you all for watching. We'll be back really soon with a new video.